Hi, in this video we will see how to find the value of trigonometric expression. The example will be given like this. We have question in front of us as find the value of 2 tan 45 degree plus cos 30 degree minus sin 60 degree. Now to solve such kind of problems we should completely aware about the trigonometric values which are there in the table. Some basic ratio values are there such as sin 30, sin 0, sin 45, sin 60 and sin 90. Similarly, cos, tan, sec, cosec, these values should be learned properly. Now 2 tan 45 degree plus cos 30 degree minus sin 60 degree. To solve such kind of problem, we will just simply substitute the values of these trigonometric ratios and the angle which is associated with that trigonometric ratio. Now 2 tan 45 degree, as per the trigonometric table, the value of tan 45 degree is 1. So we have written 2 as it is into tan 45, its value is 1, so 2 into 1, this portion is over, plus cos 30. Now value of cos 30 is root 3 upon 2, so we have substituted that value over here. Then minus sign as it is, minus sin 60 degree. Again, as per the table, value of sin 60 degree is also root 3 upon 2. So we are just simplifying this step. 2 into 1 will be 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 upon 2. See, the same number is getting subtracted from the same number, so its answer will be 0. So 2 plus 0, final answer is 2. So by this way we have find the value of 2 tan 45 degree plus cos 30 minus sin 60 degree. Remember one thing, you should learn the trigonometric ratios table properly to know all the values. Thank you.